Hello, class. Welcome to StudyWave Academy, where we are looking and we are continuing to understand what civic education is. And right now, we are going to move on and look at the importance of keeping personal space clean. So let's move on, class. Join me as we understand the importance of keeping personal space clean and why we should keep our personal space clean and why it is important to us. Now, examples of personal space I will give, there are kitchen, classroom, your bedrooms. Okay, you can even think of other examples yourself. Try give me other examples of personal space. And right now we're going to be looking at importance of keeping our personal space clean. Like, why should we keep our bedrooms clean? Why should we keep our kitchen clean? And why should we keep our classroom clean? So we're going to be looking at such. So one importance of keeping our space or our personal space clean is health and hygiene. Now, cleanliness in personal space helps prevent the risk or help prevents dirt and germs from making us sick or bringing allergies to us or illnesses. So cleanliness promotes better health conditions for us and even those around us. Now, in our kitchen, why is it important to even clean it? Why is it important to clean our bedroom, even our classroom where we study? Why is it important to clean them? Now, you will understand that it is very, very important to keep our classroom clean and to keep our bedroom clean because you are trying to promote hygiene and a healthy living area so that you can avoid being sick. Who wants to be sick? And every day you're seeing the doctor, you're crying about your stomach, you're crying about your head. No, you don't want to be having allergies or some illnesses and just being unhealthy. So one importance of cleaning your personal space is to promote hygiene and a healthy environment. Sorry for that. Another importance is culinary safety. In the kitchen, orderliness is crucial for food safety, proper storage, cleanliness, and organization of kitchen tools and ingredients, preventing contamination and foodborne illnesses. Who would be happy to eat in a hotel that when you're drinking from their cups, you see some food remains at the end of the cup, or you see the cup is dirty? Even who will even drink that? So importance of keeping personal space clean is that you want to maintain orderliness in even the food safety. So for example, if like I gave an example, you have containers that you've not labeled. Now, as a good person, you should label these containers. By labeling them, you are enabling yourself to avoid the risks of contaminating food. So instead of like using salt to cook tea, instead of using sugar, to cook tea, you use salt. Instead of using salt to cook food, you use sugar. You see, such things, they make your food bad. They make you do mistakes. Now, labeling your containers, they help you maintain some safety in the kitchen and prevent these foodborne diseases. Another importance of keeping our personal space clean is productivity and efficiency. An orderly environment makes it easier to find itself and complete tasks efficiently. An orderly environment makes it easier to find items and complete tasks easily. So for example, I talked about your closet, your bedroom. You've arranged your clothes so well, so even if you wake up late for class and you want to hurry to class, you'll be able to do this very fast because you can easily wake up, get your shirt, get your short, get your bag and leave, than compared to a person who doesn't even know where the shirt is, doesn't know where the cloth is. It makes things just bad for this person. Okay, so as an orderly person or a person who wants to be have some order and productivity, your environment is clean, hence you can get things very easily. And then you avoid wasting time too, because you know what you want, you know what you're supposed to do at the right time. You allocate your activities with the right time and just know what you're supposed to do. Another importance of keeping our personal space clean is stress reduction. So, for example, a disorderly environment can lead to feeling of overwhelm and contribute to mental clutter. A clean and organized space promotes mental well-being and reduce stress, anxiety. Now, even when you're working at home, who doesn't feel happy to see your home clean and you just relaxed working? Who doesn't feel happy about this? I know everyone will be happy about this. Now, even in classroom, when you see your books are neatly arranged, your bag is neatly kept, your hair is even neatly kept, yourself, you're properly groomed, this makes you happy and you're able to even reduce stress. You're stress free because you're happy with yourself, happy with your environment, and you're able to even work. You're able to work effectively and work and love even what you do and even understand what you're working on, okay? Another importance of keeping our personal space clean, another importance of keeping our personal space clean is positive first impression. For example, if I come to your class today, how many will be ready to show me your lockers, ready to show me your bags? How many? Maybe some of you, maybe some of you not. So whether it's at home, office, or classroom, an orderly space leaves a positive impression on visitors. It conveys professionalism, responsibility, and attention to detail. Now, people would love to even be around you. If I come to your home today, how many would be ready to take me to their rooms and they will be confident to show me their rooms? They will be okay showing me their rooms. Maybe some of you will, maybe some of you won't. But one thing about a clean environment and a clean personal space is that there's the people will be happy when they see it in the first sight. If someone has never been to your bedroom and you take them for the first time, they will smile. They will be like, wow, you're so clean. They will even have a different view of you. They will love you because you are a neat person and you're a clean person. So one important key aspect you have to note is that there's positive first impression with a clean home, a clean classroom, even a clean office. People will be impressed by your cleanliness and your neatness. Another importance of cleaning our personal space is safety. Disorderly spaces can be hazardous. Cluttered walkways, for example, increase the risk of tripping and falling. Proper organization and storage of itself can prevent accidents. Now, like I said, for example, your mom sends you to the kitchen to pick for her some salt or bring her some salt or bring her some sugar. When you need, you're able to bring the right thing and you're able to let your mom use the right ingredients because they are properly arranged. But let's say, for example, your kitchen was disorganized, you don't even know where the sugar is. Let's say all of them have the same container, all of them are placed in the same container. You won't even know what container contains what, so things will confuse you. They will confuse you because you don't know what to use or you don't know what to bring to your mom, so you end up even contaminating the food and creating accidents. So for safety, when you're having a clean personal space, when even your classroom is clean, you avoid things like sharp pencils, that you avoid putting sharp pencils pointing upwards that might prick someone and make someone hurt. Okay. Another importance is of cleaning your personal space is effective learning. Now you're in class, try think of a class where the teacher is disorganized, the class itself is disorganized, and even the pupils themselves are disorganized. So the lockers are not even well arranged, books are down, papers are everywhere, the charts on the wall are hanging. Try picture this class. Will you even concentrate in this class? Will you even learn being or love even being in this class? No. Why? Because you won't even get time to concentrate or understand what you're doing, okay? So effective learning is brought about by a clean personal space. In a classroom, orderliness is crucial for effective teaching and learning. A tidy and well-organized classroom promotes a conducive environment for concentration and knowledge retention. For example, look at this picture I've given here. It's just a simple picture, but you see the desks are aligned in a line. You see the alignment is straight. This will enable people participate and give the classroom vibe. For example, you will be able to know that you're in the classroom and know that you're supposed to give all your attention to the classroom. You're supposed to drive all your attention. So A clean and well-organized classroom will help promote a conducive environment for concentration. You're able to concentrate because the walls are clean, the charts are neatly placed on the walls, so your concentration is even higher. So this is one importance of cleaning our personal space. Another importance of personal space is respect for others. So maintaining cleanliness and order in shared spaces demonstrate respect for others, okay? For those who like share rooms or you're sharing your bed with your sibling, when you're clean, it simply means you respect your sister, you respect your sibling, because you respect their items too. When you're in class and you're sharing a desk with your friend, when you're able to place your book in the right order, your books are neatly arranged, your friend will also do the same because they feel that you respect them, and you also want the same from them. So this will encourage even others to do as you're doing because they respect what you're doing. Another importance of cleaning personal space is easier maintenance, okay? Regular cleaning and organization makes it easier to maintain personal space in a long run. It prevents the need for extensive and time-consuming cleanup efforts. Now let's give an example of machines, okay? So for example, you're working in a company where they produce maybe yogurts, okay? Who loves yogurts here? I know maybe some of you love yogurt. So you're working in a company where they manufacture yogurts. So when this company is clean and it has an orderly manner where they arrange their products, their final products well, and even their machines are clean, it will enable them maintain these machines and even run the company more effectively, okay? Another reason is another importance is reduced clutter and waste. An orderly space encourages better management of professions and resources, reducing waste and unnecessary consumption. Now, when you have proper order of your resources, you're able to manage your resources very well because you know what to use at what time. Maybe you've been given food, right? You know what time to eat in class and what time not to eat in class. You are an orderly person, okay? So you reduce waste, you're able to collect litter, you're able to clean your personal area, your classroom. It's just a nice thing to have when you're having clean space. Another way of another look at some two last importance of having a clean personal space: organization skills and development. Organization skills development. Keeping personal space tidy helps individuals develop valuable organization and time management skills that can benefit them in various aspects of life. When you're an organized person, even your mind is organized, your life is organized. So this gives you a specific skill, and you'll be able to have the best organization skills or skill development. You're able to organize your space well, organize your surrounding well, and even work with people in a friendly manner because you understand what you're doing, you understand your space where you're working from, okay? So one importance of keeping your personal space clean is that it promotes organization skills. It develops your organization skills, okay? Another one is financial savings. An orderly approach to managing belongings can help extend the lifespan of an item, reducing the need for frequent replacements and saving money in long term or in a long time. So for example, your bag. If you properly use your bag and properly maintain your bag, you will be able to use it for a long time, and this will help you save your family from buying new bags every time. So you will save finances, and these finances will be used to take your other siblings to school, or even promote your other siblings to study too. So when you properly take care of your belongings, properly or neatly arrange your belongings, you're able to help people save money because you will use them for a long time. So having a clean space or encouraging a clean personal space will enable you manage your belongings, and they will even stay for a long time because you know how to keep them clean. And this will even move and help you organize yourself and even grow in your organization skills and develop your organization skills.